Good morning everyone! Ito yung outfit natin for today. Yes! So this is me. Bababa na tayo for the breakfast. Hello guys! Welcome to Liechtenstein. Time check, it's 8:30 in the morning here. And you could observe, may mga jeepney yung houses nila. Ayan na. Ayan pa. Tapos that's the castle. Tapos ayun o. Yan ang snow. Let's go. Let's have a photo together. So yan yung hotel natin. Yan yung pinakamayaman kong friend. So ito yung likod ng hotel namin. Yung street nila, isa lang yung street dito. Tapos, doon na din yung mga government offices.
Porsche. Sorry.
Hi, bonjour. Bonjour mo siya. Okay. Picture tayo. Akin. Oh my God, ang ginaw. Kinigilaw kami. Mas malamig pa pala dito. So, we are here just for I think for 1 hour and 30 minutes, then we would be heading to Austria. Guys, napag-iwanan na tayo. Come on guys. Oh my God, nanginginig na yung kamay ko. Pwede daw magpatatak dito ng passport, which is if you're planning to come here just to by land, you may ask to have your passport with them para matatakan. Isa ito sa mga museum dito sa Liechtenstein. Landes Museum. Naka-face mask tayo kasi sobrang lamig. Tapos naka-sunglasses tayo para at least protection for the eyes. So speaking of, that's the castle guys. Ito mga building na to guys. These are the governmental buildings ng Liechtenstein, which is hindi pa bukas. No. They are open. May mga nasa loob na. That's the castle. Di daw pala pwede umakyat. So hanggang tanaw lang natin yung pinakatuktok doon. Okay. Dito tayo. Ay, dito. Halika. So ito lang guys yung country ng Liechtenstein.
Gumilid ka kasi ayokong tingnan yung ano. Yung
ito ha. Lalaki ng service nila eh.
Not everyone can become a great artist, but a great artist can come from anywhere.
So hinahanap na kami ng aming tour guide kasi paalis na kami. Okay guys, welcome to Vienna, Austria. Oh my God, ang daming tao guys, so you see that?
Same din.
Ang tigas, parang bato. O naman, di naman.
Pwede naman. Hi, welcome to Vienna.
Vienna, Austria.
Welcome to Vienna Sausage.
Vienna sausage. So, hello guys. Welcome to Austria. So, kakababa lang namin ng bus. Ayan guys, may free fountain dito. Pwede uminom dyan. Pero, kung sensitive yung tiyan mo, huwag ka nila uminom. Yung mga immune lang yata yung uminom dyan, yung mga tao dito. Pag nasa abroad ako guys, hindi ako umiinom ng water na bukas. Dapat yung bottled water lang. Pa at least hindi ka ma-poison pa. You know, sigurado sa...
A few moments later.
Eto na naman tayo sa mga views na to. Oh my kulay. Guys, I love it. Naghahalo yung snow, winter, autumn.
Hours later.
Hello guys, welcome to Innsbruck here in Austria. Time check, it's 5:25 in the afternoon. Malamig pa rin po ngayon. It's -1. So we are planning now to go to the most famous here in Austria, which is the Swan. Ayan, maganda sa gabi. And this, parehas lang yan. This is the Royal Palace. You see this? The view is there. You will have the mountains, the natural resources, and this one, the Landers Theater. And my friend who is very hardworking with his tripod, he's very talented and innovative when it comes to having his own world, her own world. Go ahead. Now guys, this is what I'm talking about. With the chandelier above, and I don't like the smell. Oh, I'm gonna swing from the chandelier. I love it with all the shining, shimmering, splendid. May bumabagsak na tubig or snow ba yan? Ayan yung parang 3D. Yung lights effect na yan. Thinking na bibili na naman yung mga kaibigan ko ng Starbucks collection. They always have or they are always buying a Starbucks collection. What do you have? A mug, Austria.
Yes. Yes po. Austria. Ayoko kasi nung ano eh. Teka lang, may ano may...
So we are now in Starbucks here in Innsbruck, Austria. So nag-CR yung mga kasama ko. They just want to have this collection which is the, a mug and a tumbler. Hello guys! We are still in Innsbruck. The night is still young and we are still, collecting some memories here.
Night is young and we are so beautiful.
Yeah. What time check? What time is it? So, hinahanap na kami ng aming tour guide kasi paalis na kami. We are gonna go to other places. So ito na nga, namili kami dito sa Innsbruck. This one. Walang ilaw, no?
Hindi mo lang ilaw, pero mag-flash na lang kayo. 1, 2. Paano isa pa?
Ang hirap na may hika. Hala natin mag-slow. Naka-face mask ako kasi nalalamigan yung ilong ko. So, hinihika ko. Hindi tayo sanay sa winter season. Sana yung mga kasama ko. Every corner ng Innsbruck, talagang may inspire ka. Ang dami mong pwede puntahan dito. Ayan. Guys, ito yung house ng Swarovski. Grabe. Ang bango.
A few moments later.
Hey man, so yun na nga, nakapasok lang natin. We are now in Salzburg, here in Best Western, which is, this is our hotel for tonight. Tomorrow, we will be going to Vienna, which is the capital city of Austria. So before on that, I'll be giving you a quick tour. So this is the door behind me. So as you go straight on my right side, we have the vanity mirror, which is, you know, you have your selfie here. So I have a small voice ngayon kasi kakagising lang natin from the bus. Tapos biglang nandito na pala kami sa hotel. So ito yung water closet natin, which is may heater. Maliligo tayo mamaya. And this is the toilet. Then, as you go in there, this is the cabinet, guys. But lumit yung boses ko. So, ito na nga. We also have refrigerator. Ayan. Mga towels. Full-length mirror. Then, this is my bed. A king-size bed, good for 2 persons. My console table.
The next day.
Good morning, everyone. It's November 15, 2024. Time check. It's 7:13 in the morning here in Austria. Bababa tayo ngayon para kumain. We have a complimentary breakfast for 7 to 10 in the morning. So this is for the outfit for today. So guys, let's go. So ito na, masyadong messy na yung room natin. Kasi nag-i-impake na ako. So let's go, baba na tayo guys. Come on. This morning, we are going to Vienna, Austria. So it's gonna be a good day. And we know that Vienna is the capital of Austria. Paalis na tayo. That's our bus. And behind me is our hotel. Ang lamig.
To go to a hotel, or we can go to the city, let's say 2-3 hours, go to the hotel after that, and you can feel free whenever you want, how you like to go back and spend the rest of the day and night there. So think about it, what will be more okay for you. We can be flexible.
Okay guys, welcome to Vienna, Austria, which is the capital of Austria, Vienna. So this time guys, we're gonna explore the palace here in Austria. Yeah. Yeah, let's have a group photo daw. Guys, flex lang natin yung mga OOTD ng mga kaibigan ko. What do you have? Who are you wearing? You see that? Very opulent guys. Come on. Yeah. Lamig. Ah, iba din talaga. Lumalaban talaga. Ah, ganyan na ganyan.
Naka-leggings.
Yeah. So yun na nga guys, we're gonna go to Palace, which is most famous here in Austria. And yeah.
We are talking, I didn't.
Okay, so we will proceed to other side. Come on guys. Ito yung itsura ng Palace. Oh yeah, that one. Galing! Oh my God, ang lamig! Hindi natin kinakaya guys, yung hangin na sumasampal sa mukha mo. Oh, extreme.
Okay ka
Sobrang
lang.
lamig, diba? I'm good, oh my God! Who's this person?
Ako. Malamig.
Who are you today?
Nagka-cover talaga ako ngayon.
Yeah.
Malamig.
Why do you have a face mask today?
Kasi yung ano ko, yung ilong ko ba, nagdugo-padago.
Oh, very sensitive naman ang ilong mo.
Anong suot mo ngayon?
Yeah. Who are you wearing today?
Wala.
Balman?
Wala. Wala.
I love it. Go ahead. Yeah, so okay guys. Come on, it's so cold. And what we are so excited is that I think there's a celebration for Christmas.
Ang plastic ang magkakaroon.
Oh my God. So this is the palace. So oh my God, ang daming tao guys, so you see that? There's a star, so everybody's so busy. You would feel the essence of Christmas. Come on, guys. Annyeonghaseyo. Ang laban na to. So guys, we're now in Palace, which is this is the Schönbrunn Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Was the summer residence of the Habsburg monarch and has 1,441 rooms. It's a famous great gallery hosted by the Grand Imperial Balls and Receptions, while the Gloriette on the hill offers stunning views of Vienna. Oh my God guys, there's an ice. Pwede kayo mag-ice skating dito. I'm sure the kids are enjoying the moment. Everybody here is really has a purpose for them to fulfill their dreams, being around with their most loved one. Yes, friend. Ano, you want to take a photo? I'll take a photo with you.
Later, doon sa may Christmas tree.
Yeah. But for now, let's explore the place first. Yeah. Ayan na. Yeah, I love it. I love it even more. So big. So this is Vienna.
Vienna, Austria.
Thank you. Guys, bumili tayo ng nuts. We will try. This is 5 euro. Ito lang yung kaya natin kainin. At least hindi masyado acidic.
Same deal.
Painuwi ko ba yan?
Ang tigas, parang bato.
O naman, di naman.
Hindi na muna, kasi maano siya, masukal.
Kaya pa kami local na pwede kang
Isa pa,
mag-local.
one more round. Ako naman, bibili. Hindi ko pa may one more round, ako naman bibili.
Girl yung pretzel nila, ang laki. Girl yung pretzel nila, ang laki. Ano yun?
One more round.
Ano, kaya pa?
Hi!
Hey!
Pumunta pa kami Vienna para mag-inom.
Yeah. Nakailang bottles na kayo?
One pa lang.
Kaya pa yang. God. Okay lang yun. Ano si Ria? Oh my God. So guys, iba-iba yung mga bahay dito. Ayan na. Medyo may pagka-Renaissance, may pagka-Baroque style, yung mga design ng mga houses nila. And
Gusto mo dito?
akin naman.
Diyan sa court.
So yan na nga guys. Andito pa rin tayo sa Vienna, Austria, which is, you know, alam natin na ito yung pinaka-birthplace ng mga classical music. Here also in Austria, it was originated the Croatian. And yan, ang daming tao pala dito. Guys, you have different peoples here. May mga pwede kang mabilhan dito. They are in a sense of Christmas spirit. You know this, pwede kang bumili ng pagkain, mga souvenirs. Guys, the famous one, this is the cathedral. This. Oh my God, I love it. Hey guys, welcome to Austria. Yeah.
Ano lang tayo, ikot lang tayo.
Iba yung mga buildings sila talaga. Talagang very competitive when it comes to other countries. Oh my God, we are catching our tour guide. It's gonna be hard for us to look for them. Pag may iwanan tayo, you have your own to go back to the hotel. But this time, we're following them. Come on, guys. Okay, let's go. Ayan. Our flag is waving. They are waiting for us. Oh yeah, guys, let's make it fast. It's already red. Francis Imperator Avstick. How are you gonna pronounce that one? I love it. Even though the smell is really so bad, I taste it in the air. Come on. So this is the palace, guys. Oh my God, yung mga structure niya, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Oh, it's really different. It's more beautiful than the picture.
Ito ang palasyo.
Palasyo. I'm having my own cinematic pictures.
Sa ilaw. Everywhere.
Do you want us to move or not?
Backward? Dance?
While dancing.
Sway.
Yeah.
Bend down, okay?
Okay.
Mas mai-enjoy natin to if we make it slowly. We have to check if there's a car posing. Ayan, wala naman. Saan yung mga kasama natin? Ayun sila. Woo! Oh my God! Lahat na lang maganda dito eh. Walang tapon eh. Nakaka-amaze guys. Dinaanan namin yung House of Opera. Ayan o.
Hi! Welcome to Vienna.
Vienna, Austria.
Welcome to Vienna Sausage.
Vienna sausage. Oh my God. Nakaka-overwhelm siya, guys. Ang daming magandang buildings dito. Walang tapon talaga. And ito yata yung shopping street nila. Laki. Ang daming tao. Walang katapusan.
Ilang meters pa.
Oo nga. Sana ba yung cathedral na yan? Guys, this is the famous coffee bar. Lahat na makikita mo dyan is lahat pink. Lahat ng siniserve nila is pink. Ayan.
Binanın dışı tuhaf biraz. Metal gibi. Altı gibi.
Ito na ba? Oh my God, ang laki. Ang ganda guys, may show sa likod.